Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Quant is one of the coins that could certainly have completed its wave 2 correction already. It reacted to our $97 level. That was one of the levels we determined by using the Fibonacci extension tool. It was I showed it only yesterday, I think, in the video. We took the length of the wave A down here, compared it to the length of the wave C, and the 100% extension, one of the very common targets of this wave 5, was the $97 level. It did react there just below the $100 level, which was so important. And it's basically did some stop fishing, I guess. People who had their stops just below the $100 level, I guess. So the point is that this could have bottomed. We have a possible 5-wave move to the upside now, and this A, B, C structure is, we could count that complete already. Would have been nice to go below $94, below that low of the wave A. That's typically what you see, and maybe it will still do that. But for now, we have a reason to believe that a low could be in. Okay, it reached the $97 level, turned around, broke the trend line, broke resistance, and broke the ascending trend line of this head and shoulders pattern, which I don't pay much attention to anyway. But the most important thing is, this was an A wave down, this was a B wave, and the C wave could be counted complete based on the wave structure. So maybe this boring time on the QNT chart is over. I already shared earlier on Discord and Telegram that we were getting here most likely in a wave 4 into support, and that a reaction here, if the reaction occurs above $105.50, that a 5th wave to the upside could follow. That would then be a break above the $110 level. That happened now. Yeah, we have a possible 5-wave move up. The only thing is that this 4th wave was a bit short to be, a bit too short to be reliable. But hey, let's see. Certainly we have a move above resistance, which means above the previous wave 4 high and above this neckline that I showed you of this head and shoulders pattern. Next resistance is now the previous wave 2 high at $115, and here $119 is the B wave high. These are the target's structural resistance, at least, yeah. In terms of target levels, if we really say, okay, we completed now, or we are about to complete a 5-wave move up, what would be the target for that 5th wave? To calculate that, we take the length of waves 1 through 3, we go to the low of the wave 4, and then we get here the levels of $113. I've nearly reached that already. That's the 38.2 extension. That would be quite shallow or short. The 61.8 extension is a very common target. That's here at $116.52, and then we've got the $119 level, which is basically an overlap with that resistance up here, the structural resistance level. Okay, so at the moment there is no sign that this is topped yet. As soon as we have a top in place, we can assume that this is a 5-wave move, and as soon as we have a top in place, we can calculate a target for the wave 2, or at least a support level for wave 2, which we can then refine a little bit. At the moment, whatever it's doing, it should hold the $100 level, because if we will now break below $100, we will likely make new lows below 97. So then this rally is most likely over. But if in any deeper pullback we hold $100, we can get a 3rd wave to the upside and basically follow this structure here. So initial strong signs actually that a low is in. As always, the first deeper pullback will tell us the truth, and let's see how far it will run. I'm not telling you it will stop at $16. At the moment, it's just uptrend is starting. We know that QNT can sometimes be crazy when it comes to rallies. It can overshoot targets easily, so keep an open mind. But these are certainly some of the likely extensions. Yeah, $119, $122. So we'll see if we get there, yeah. But not much more to add here to the QNT chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.